Our Temple takes on here, and tonight we're going to be taking on the Lair competition here by Innovation Factory, and we're here at the Carmen's Banquet Center in Hamilton, and we're going to watch over 10 different finalists go up on stage and pitch their startup and their innovative product or service. And let's go take it on and watch fellow entrepreneurs pitch their way to the Lions, and hopefully there's some really cool innovations coming out of this competition. And best of luck. Let's go take it on. We go table 42.
Innovation Factory. I'm so glad you're here. This is our 13th anniversary of the event, so big applause. I think it's always important to recognize too. Okay, it's also time to welcome back our judges.
This year has developed a first ever cereal for your mouth. Please help me give a huge congratulations to the cheer.
Yeah, Lions Lair. Yeah, Lions Lair. All right, just finished Lions Lair competition here. Really great event. Congratulations to all the winners, and see you again on the next episode. Temple takes on.